Soil pH testing is a crucial step in agriculture and gardening as it provides insight into the soil's acidity or alkalinity. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance is, and in gardening, it is essential to maintain an optimal pH range for plant growth and health. In this post, we'll cover the science behind pH, why pH testing is significant, methods of testing soil pH, the ideal pH range for different plants, and how to adjust soil pH if it falls outside the optimal range. What is pH? pH stands for power of hydrogen, a measure of the hydrogen ion concentration within a solution. pH is measured on a scale of 1 to 14, with a value of 7 being neutral. Anything below 7 is acidic, and anything above 7 is basic or alkaline. In agriculture and gardening, pH balance is critical as it affects the availability of essential plant nutrients necessary for healthy growth. How does pH affect plant growth and health? The pH level of soil determines the availability of essential nutrients necessary for plant growth. When soil pH is too high or too low, some nutrients become unavailable for plants, and this can result in nutrient deficiencies and stunted growth. For example, when soil pH is too low, acidic, the soil may lack essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which can significantly affect plant growth. In contrast, when the soil pH is too high, alkaline, the soil may lack nutrients like iron, manganese, and zinc, which can also affect plant growth. Why is soil pH testing important? Soil pH testing is crucial in determining the level of acidity or alkalinity of a soil sample. By testing soil pH, gardeners can determine if the soil is suitable for the type of plants they want to grow. Testing soil pH also helps gardeners understand the nutrient availability in the soil, making it easier to make informed decisions on fertilizer application and soil amendments. More info on performing a soil pH test can be found here. Methods of testing soil pH. There are various methods for testing soil pH, including using pH test strips, a handheld pH meter, and a lab analysis. pH test strips are a cheap and convenient method of testing soil pH, but they may not provide accurate or consistent results. Handheld pH meters give a more accurate reading, but they are more expensive than pH test strips. Laboratory analysis is the most accurate method of testing soil pH, but it is time-consuming and expensive. Step-by-step guide to conducting a soil pH test. For this guide, we'll use pH test strips. Materials needed: 1. Soil sample. 2. Distilled water. 3. pH testing kit, pH test strips. 4. Container to hold soil and water mixture. 5. Spoon for mixing soil and water mixture. 6. Gloves, optional. Steps: 1. Collect soil samples from different areas of your garden, making sure to avoid areas where fertilizers or manure have been recently applied. 2. Air dry the soil samples for a few days and break up any clumps that form during the drying process. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of soil sample to the container. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.